Yeah, cool. Okay, let me just open the doc also. Correct. So, what is our agenda today? Is to crack your first internship. ठीक है? Uh, Also, by end of the session, you will be getting a certificate. So, if possible, please be there till the end. We will try to wrap. We'll try to wrap in some time. I mean, like not half an hour actually, but like 45 minutes. We'll try to do that. So yeah, we have two workshops, right? So it's like this one, yeah. And there we'll be doing that. Anyways, crack your first internship in college. That's very very important क्योंकि college वाला part is interesting here. Okay. Now, what do we do in college most of the time? We actually, like right now, if you take a look, most of the time we are on social media, we are enjoying, we are doing everything. Through social media, you get to know about a lot of things, right? A lot of things like it could be what to learn, what not to learn, right? How to start your tech journey and everything. So imagine this is you, right? This is you, and you are going to college every day, and from random ads or from social media ads, you find out that there are some places you can learn particular skills from, right? So you land on this basically, and these skills could be anything. These skills could be like, it could be web development. अभी तो इसको full stack बोलते हैं majorly, ठीक है? It could be web development, it could be app development, right? App development it could be, right? It could be even not blockchain I would say, but people want it. A lot of early stage people learn it. We can't deny that fact. And we have something very interesting, very trending these days, that is called AI. ML basically. ML is also somewhat needed. So these are majorly 4 tech skills that usually, I'm not saying all the time, but usually people want. People want to do these things, right? So obviously, like you will go into any one of these directions. So let me just clarify this one thing before we move ahead. Is we are here going to talk about only tech internships. So this this first tech internship is what I mean. Okay. So what is happening here is you go there and you figure out your own things. Do you want to do a web developer or app developer or blockchain developer or AI, ML, whatever that works with you, right? That is called development majorly. That is majorly called development. Okay. So if you ask people that what are you doing, so they'll say like I'm doing development, right? And there is a lot of people also who are not into that zone, who are not into that game. The game is different here. That is called Java, like basically language you can say. Language you can say. That's their game, okay? And the other game that everybody these days is convinced to play is DSA ka game, okay? So either you are this side or either you are that side, right? ये path A है and this is your path B. ठीक है? This is your path B. If you are from tier 2 tier 3 college, most of the time you will be landing on this. ठीक है? अभी तुम खुद को देख लो. Just take a look at yourself, just take a look at your friends, what they are doing. If you are from tier 3 college, tier 2 college, make a list of 5 people. You would know that how many of them are doing language and DSA. Most of them are. Even in tier 1 college like mine, that was VIT Vellore, a lot of people were doing it. And they were doing it for only one reason. Only one reason. And the reason was what? Internship. So first cringe question everybody in college asks is how to get into Microsoft. right? Now the problem is that if you have decided the goal, what to do, you can do anything else, right? College is not a place to decide. College is a place to experiment. You are there to decide it कि बॉस मेरे को ये चीज़ करनी, मुझे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट नहीं जाना है, ये मेरी ज़िंदगी का लक्ष्य है, ठीक है? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। तुम बस 4 लोगों की वीडियोस देख के ऐसा बोल रहे हो. यू आर जस्ट वॉचिंग 4-5 वीडियोज ऑफ random techies on the YouTube who are very good at vlogging, and they are telling you how great food Microsoft serves in the lunch, how great their campus is, how great their all of this, right? So this is the problem. Goal setting is important, but don't fixate on that. Don't be like very rigid on ki you only want to do this language wala, you only want to do this DSA wala. That's very important. Kyunki the moment you do this, right, the moment you get into this zone, you cannot come out of it. It becomes your mindset that I will only do this, I will only do that, right? So yeah, either it is job majorly, right, or either it is internship. ठीक है? So that's what we do in majorly 2 things, internship or jobs. ठीक है? When you come here, you are sensitively following the same things. It's not like कि कुछ अलग ही तुमको मिलेगा. You are going through the same direction. You are doing the same job, right? You are making things up like this, and you are making things up like this. Okay? Now in these 2 cases, what is different here? You are skilled. Okay, that is very controversial actually. कि why I am calling web development, app development, blockchain, AI, ML, data science, all of these are skills, but not language and DSA as skills, because they are not. They are not skills. You are fooled by your favorite tech influencers, by people who try to sell you something, who try to tell you ki boss, if you want to become like me, you have to do this DSA course. If you go on internet, right, this, all of these companies are trying to sell you something. All these companies, right? Everybody. I'm not saying कि ये वाला नहीं, ये वाला, सब लोग ही, everybody. If you go to skiller.com, you would find that they cost you 2 lakh rupees for a complete course. And what do they sell you? That you are going to get a job at FANG. If 1000 people join as students, I bet there are not 1000 jobs available for FANG. And that is your first mistake when you are talking about first internship. That is why most people don't get their first internship in college, because you are here, not here. You getting me? Anybody have a doubt? Please ask your question. यहाँ तक समझ में आया? You can give it a thumbs up or thumbs down. If you have any doubt, simply question यहाँ पे रख दो. I will resolve them. अभी एक ही question आया. I want all these questions. जब session end होगा, I'll be going up and then answering all of them. You are here because of me. I don't want to waste your time on that. ठीक है? Okay. So we set the agenda for this. Right? I'm not saying कि language and DSA are not important. Obviously, if you want to become a web developer, you will need to learn JavaScript. You will need to learn, like for example, app development के लिए you might need to learn Dart or again JavaScript. और blockchain के लिए you might need to learn Rust, Solidity and all. AI/ML के लिए you need to learn Python, right? But my point is कि it is a mindset. It is a zone. Like if you are getting the same thing here and you are getting the same thing here, if the output is same, then why are you wasting your energy into something that can come later? How it will happen? So the plot twist in a story is you are not going to get a job just because you know a web development or whatever skill you know. So the plot twist here is this whole thing is very important. This whole thing is very important, no doubt about that. And actually not this but this only. Why? Because you already, if you have already done web development or anything, you already know a language. It's fine. You don't have to go there. Cool? This is your roadmap. Yeah. Now, when we talk about all of this, we actually going to talk about skills, how to gain them, how to build them, right? We are already late, some like 10 minutes late and all. So we are like started 10 minutes ago. Let's talk about, if you have to pick any one of these skills, how would you do that? How would you make sure that you gain these skills, right? First thing you do is you can search on the internet which one is the best skill to learn. Okay, which DSA course is best? Which one is the best tech skill to learn? 25 मान लो. It's very cringe, I know, but just एक बार ट्राई करके देखते हैं. डेटा साइंस क्या करना है तुमको? आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू हाउ टू रिसर्च. ठीक है, यू हैव टू कम हियर, यू हैव टू क्रिएट अ बॉक्स, राइट? डेटा साइंस, व्हाट आर, हाँ ठीक है, प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, इट्स एन स्किल. ओके, गुड. क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग. So I'll try to solve everybody's problem. Just be here for some time. I'm not saying कि we are going to talk about cloud computing in general or data science. I'm trying to tell you something. You will know. AI ML. You have to write it down like that. अगर तुम इतना रिसर्च करने के लिए रेडी नहीं हो तो ये बिल्कुल मत सोचो कि मैं तुम्हारे यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा तुम्हें ज्ञान दे दूंगा जो तुम्हारी तुरंत इंटर्नशिप लग जाएगी. ऐसा नहीं होगा. ठीक है, रिसर्च तो तुमको खुद ही करना पड़ेगा, बट रिसर्च करोगे तो तुमको क्लैरिटी आएगी कि हाँ ये कर सकते थे. ठीक है, एक ये हो गया. साइबर सिक्योरिटी, गुड. ठीक है, मान लो इतना ही था, मान लो. ठीक है, anybody want to add anything into this, like apart from web development, app development, anybody want to add anything into this? Just put your skill below. Did I miss anything in this? Data science, cloud computing, AI ML, cyber security ऐड कर देते हैं. वेब डेव ऐड कर देते हैं. और कौन सा हो गया? ऐप डेव ऐड कर देते हैं. यू जस्ट पुट इनटू चैट which skill you want me to be here. Better would be if you put into chat here. Blockchain. Okay, blockchain, yes, we missed it, I guess. Yeah, blockchain. I'll tell you how to choose basically. ठीक है? Yeah, blockchain. What else? Do anybody know about DevOps? DevOps is also an skill. DevOps. ठीक है, ऑल ऑफ दीज स्किल्स बेसिकली. नाउ इतने सारे स्किल हैं, तुम कैसे चूज करोगे? तुम्हारा तो दिमाग ही खराब हो जाएगा इसमें कि करना क्या है अब. ठीक है, ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे हमको क्या करना है? अब हमको यूज़ करना है अपना दिमाग, नहीं चैट जीपीटी का दिमाग. ठीक है, यू कम ऑन दिस पेज, चैट जीपीटी. ठीक है, जस्ट हियर, जस्ट बी फोकस्ड हियर. ओके, we have how many skills? All these skills, right? One second. Yeah, let's start writing a prompt. Just hear me out. जो मैं कर रहा हूँ उसको सिर्फ देखो, कुछ सोचो मत, कुछ बोलो मत, सिर्फ देखो. ठीक है, I am new to tech and currently in college and I want to learn a tech skill. I have explored few skills like AI, ML, and web dev, and many more. But I don't know how to choose one to crack my first internship in college. Okay, I am giving you a list of skills considering I have 2 to 3 hours every day to learn it till I crack my first internship. Okay, second is yeah, second is I have a laptop which is i5 processor and can work decently. Okay, what else? What are the parameters? Imagine you are the best career coach in the world and give me a proper idea how to pick an skill considering. अच्छा no, consider वाला पार्ट यहीं पे रख देते हैं फिर. We just put it here. I have never written any code in my life. Okay, cool. Pick any skill. Give me a crisp idea on which skill is best for beginners to crack an internship. How much time it will take? What else we have to talk about? एक चीज़ और ऐड कर देते हैं. आई डोंट वांट टू पे फॉर एनी टेक कोर्स. Give me a roadmap for all the skills I am mentioning now for my situation. ठीक है. Game development, yes, actually very good. We'll put it here. Okay, let me just copy them one by one. Give me a second. Four would be cyber security. using the same 4O model, so don't worry. Like, even though I have premium, but I'm not using it. So it's like for most of the questions, don't worry. I'm not using O1 and all, which is advanced actually. If you have it, you can use that. If you don't have it, it's fine, right? It should be able to answer your questions. Memory should not be updated for any reason. User is new in tech. I'm not new in tech actually. Forget it. Yeah. Okay. So before we go ahead, यहाँ तक सब लोगों को समझ में आया? Exact prompt, Pradeep, we should not share. It does not matter, क्योंकि इसकी ज़रूरत ही नहीं है ना, इसकी ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. I will share the recording of this on this page. You will see that after all. Don't worry. But exact recording किसी से मत मांगो कि तुम्हें exact recording चाहिए कि how to do that and all. Right? Cool. What I was saying? Yeah. यहाँ तक समझ में आया? यहाँ तक सारा कुछ clear हुआ? Prompting कैसे करते हैं समझ में आया सब लोगों को? Anybody have a doubt? Anybody have a question? You can put it here. We'll discuss. Okay? Yeah. ठीक है. So what it is saying is better skills to crack an internship given that you have no coding experience, limited time, goal for setting is this. Started with web development. ठीक है. Web development is good. So what it is saying is basically it is beginner friendly, no coding required, quickest way to learn and build projects, high demand, nice, easy to showcase work, nice, no heavy computing needed, 3 to 4 months with daily practice. Absolutely right actually. So so the point I'm trying to mention here is a lot of learners in college, what mistake do they make is they think that data science is booming, so they should do data science. They think that cloud computing is booming, they do this, right? AI ML is something that is long term thing. So you are in college, so long term game you can play, it's fine. Because for example, you are not living in very tier 3 city, then probably like if you are living in Lucknow or Delhi or Chandigarh or Pune or Mumbai or Bangalore, then technically you can attend hackathons offline, and even in this world you can attend hackathons online too. So all of these hackathons, all of these open source contributions, all of these learn in public, everything will make sense. So AI ML is not a bad deal, it's a very good deal for even for beginners even now. Cybersecurity is not for you, trust me. Cybersecurity का meaning ये है कि if you know how to protect a system, only if you know how to make a system. If you have never made a website before, if you have never made a mobile app before, don't worry about going into cybersecurity. It's not for you. Okay? Now coming to web development. Sorry. Web development is good field, no doubt about that. A lot of companies actually want app development too, but could be a problem if your laptop is not that great. Great laptop is fine, but if not that great, it may slow down things. Blockchain can work, I would say. ठीक है, DevOps can work. So point I'm trying to mention here is कि boss पहले you just give it a prompt, ठीक है, just understand what it's saying, and the first deal it will tell you कि is it beginner friendly or not. So when you come here and you just pick any skills, don't do it because everybody's talking on the internet. Or you open LinkedIn, everybody's talking on ChatGPT, AI, ML, right? Don't do that. It does not make sense. It's called following the trend. But trend, you are not following the trend because trend changes every time. So अभी तुम start करोगे cloud computing पढ़ना या फिर cyber security पढ़ना, 2 महीने के बाद cloud computing will be out. मतलब कुछ और लोग बात करने लगेंगे और तुमको लगेगा कि cloud computing का जरूरत ही नहीं है, right? That is a deal. Anyways, roadmap for all these skills. ठीक है, for your situation, it is saying you require all of this machine learning basics, statistics, SQL at least 6 months before you are internship ready. राइट, इंटर्नशिप रेडीनेस के लिए तुम्हें ये चाहिए, ठीक है, रोड मैप के लिए तुम्हें ये चाहिए। सी इट्स क्लियरली मेंशनिंग एवरीथिंग अबाउट दैट कि ऐसे ऐसे करना पड़ेगा तुमको, ठीक है। क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग बेसिक्स तुम्हें आना चाहिए, नो डाउट अबाउट दैट, लिनक्स के बेसिक्स आने चाहिए। इफ़ यू आर इनटू कंप्यूटर साइंस ब्रांच नेटवर्किंग, यू वुड ऑलरेडी नो, प्रिपेयर दैट टॉपिक, प्रिपेयर दैट कोर्स वेरी वेल। इट्स नॉट लाइक कि सिर्फ कॉलेज पढ़ने के लिए गए हो तुम, ये भी अच्छा इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। AWS Azure एंड ऑल दैट इज सिंपलर नाउ, क्योंकि अब ChatGPT आ गया है तो तुम्हें बहुत सारी चीज़ें खुद बता देता है वो, ठीक है। हार्ड टू कंप्लीट फॉर बिगिनर्स एंड इट्स रिक्वायर्स programming and system knowledge. So see, this is the deal here. It is actually telling you कि it is hard, right, and better, and after learning web development or DevOps, पहले तुम वो सीख लो उसके बाद इसमें आओ। तो cloud computing is not for you technically in that sense. AI/ML is good, requires a strong foundation of data science first. So इसका मतलब ये है कि पहले तुम्हें data science करना पड़ेगा। So roadmap जो हम roadmap अभी तक देखते आए हैं वो कुछ ऐसा था कि ये अलग है और ये अलग है, बट एक्चुअली में देखा जाए तो ये कुछ ऐसा है, दिस इज फर्स्ट एंड दिस इज सेकेंड, ठीक है। नाउ कमिंग टू योर साइबर सिक्योरिटी पार्ट। अच्छा, ओके, साइबर सिक्योरिटी हार्ड टू ब्रेक इनटू विदाउट प्रायर टेक्निकल नॉलेज। इफ यू आर इनटू साइबर सिक्योरिटी, don't do it. You know that how does it work. So abhi basically most of these college kids that I have talked to, all they know about cybersecurity is that in cybersecurity you do hacking and all of this, but it's not like कि hacking तुम तब ऐसे कर सकते हो, it's not that easy, right? You need to learn all of this first, then go into cybersecurity. It is actually telling you कि it is the best choice, ठीक है, to learn all of this, yeah. App development best for beginners or React Native. 3 to 4 months, 5 months you'll need. Internship ready, you will get it, ठीक है। Blockchain hard for beginners and it requires cryptography knowledge and programming knowledge. So पहले तो आना चाहिए programming boss तुमको। Not many beginner friendly internships. True, nobody is doubting that fact. Okay, internship readiness. So this is like 8 to 12 months, okay, and this and that, and then it comes to DevOps, and in DevOps you have Linux, Docker, Kubernetes, CI/CD, most relevant for experienced developers. इसका मीनिंग ये है कि तुम्हें DevOps, Docker, Kubernetes की तब जरूरत पड़ेगी जब तुम जानते हो कि Docker का यूज़ क्या है, Docker को यूज़ किया हो एक्चुअल में। Best after learning web development and cloud. ठीक है। गेम डेवलपमेंट यूजेस दिस फन बट टेक्स टाइम टू मास्टर, इट विल टेक टाइम फॉर श्योर, ओके, यस। बेस्ट वर्डिक्ट वुड बी वेब डेवलपमेंट और ऐप डेवलपमेंट एंड डेटा साइंस। इफ यू लाइक मैथमेटिक्स एंड एनालिसिस, गुड, पिक एन स्किल, follow the roadmap, build projects, apply into internship. That is a plan. Okay. Anybody have a doubt? Anybody have a question? So सब लोगों को क्लियर हो गया हम क्या बात कर रहे थे? Hey Abdullah, we'll come to that. Don't worry. We'll have your questions. So you keep putting them. Every time I'm saying like you have a question, please put it. So just put it. I will answer them, all of them. Cool. Now, so this is how you decide a skill basically. कि तुम्हें ये स्किल सीखना है, ये स्किल नहीं सीखना है, ठीक है। Now one disclaimer I'll have to put it here is web development is actually done by a lot of people these days. So recommendation would be either you go by app development, or if you are into second year or in first year or in third year of starting, then go for AI. And not just AI, when I say AI, it actually means like data science, AI, ठीक है। And you also be learning थोड़ा backend का part into this also. So you will become a backend engineer too, ठीक है, तो it will not be a problem. cool. Now we talked about skills right now. Let's talk about what will you do, what after skills. ठीक है, what will we do? First thing we'll do is create a roadmap and you will have to follow that. Simple, right? So what do I mean here is कि you have to create a roadmap for that particular skill and decide, लर्न एंड प्रैक्टिस तो करना ही पड़ेगा, दैट इज़ बेसिक, ये तो कुछ बताने वाला इसमें है ही नहीं ऐसा, ठीक है. देन थर्ड थिंग विल कम इज बिल्डिंग द प्रोजेक्ट्स. Now recommendation would be, if you are building projects, just watch 1 or 2 video from YouTube, no doubt, it's fine, ठीक है. YouTube is good platform, but not more. Don't build everything from YouTube. जितना दिमाग तुम खुद का लगाओगे उतना तुम्हें कोडिंग आएगा, सिंपल, ठीक है. ओके, yeah, fine. Now then how will you build your projects? So either you can participate in ideathons, you can participate in multiple places, you can be part of you can have a real life problem you want to solve. All of this is possible, you can do that, no doubt about that, right? We host ideathons on Unstop from time to time, every week, not every week actually, I think every 15 days we are doing it, right? For first 7 days you will have to submit your idea and all of this, then we'll connect and everything. So every month we do 2 times basically, so you can put your idea into this and you can get a chance for free mentorship, right? That is a possible case, but if you come till this point, अगर तुम यहाँ तक पहले से हो then you can check it out, but that's another deal, right? Point is कि you have to build a project, right? Then it will come down to next thing, that is called resume. Your resume should have multiple things. It should have minimum 3 projects. That is like one requirement, okay? But there are other things that you can do beyond it. Like for example, you have participated in hackathons, join it, put it down. Contributed OS contributions किए हैं, put it, ठीक है. लर्न इन पब्लिक करो. लर्न इन पब्लिक का मतलब क्या होता है? लर्न इन पब्लिक का मतलब होता है कि तुम जो कर रहे हो वो दुनिया को दिखाते रहो कि तुम कर रहे हो. बहुत सारे लोग वेब डेवलपमेंट, AI/ML करते रहते हैं, बट उनके लैपटॉप में, भाई मेरे लैपटॉप में अगर बोरिंग एजुकेशन रहता, मैं कभी इंस्टाग्राम पे वीडियोस नहीं बनाता या कभी मैं वर्कशॉप नहीं लेता, तो तुम यहाँ पे होते नहीं होते. तो लर्न इन पब्लिक का मतलब ये है कि तुम्हें बस दिखाना पड़ेगा कि तुम इस फील्ड में हो, एंड दैट इज़ हाउ पीपल विल नो कि अच्छा तुम इस फील्ड में हो, ठीक है. इफ़ यू नीड resume review, you can DM me. I don't do resume review right now, but if it is so urgent, we will do that, ठीक है. It won't be a problem. Cool. Okay, now this is resume review. Now you will have to go for job portals. I would say like job portals we can say. Okay, there are multiple job portals. One is the one that you are using, Unstop. That is one. Okay. Second one can be Internshala. I don't know. Okay. Third one, it's hard to crack for sure for beginners. Not like very simple thing to do, but Wellfound can be a deal. Wellfound में you'll be getting a lot of international companies, right? Job portal is one way to crack jobs. Second way is कि people reach out to you because you are doing learn in public. So you have been sharing your knowledge that you are learning this and that. So people come to you asking कि if you are looking for a job, we might want to hire you. That is one case. ये होता है कि लोग आते हैं खुद पूछने की अच्छा if you are looking for a job, I'll give you. ऐसा, ठीक है। तो जॉब पोर्टल हो गया। अदरवाइज यू कैन डू द कोल्ड मेलिंग्स। कोल्ड मेलिंग के लिए बहुत दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है। यू कैन क्रिएट योर ओन प्रॉम्प्ट, स्टार्ट सेंडिंग। हाउ विल यू फाइंड द मेल्स? यू विल हैव टू स्ट्रगल बेसिकली थोड़ा सा। तो अगर तुम किसी वेबसाइट पे गए, किसी उस पे गए, तो यू कैन कोल्ड मेल देम थ्रू दिस, ओके। दैट इज द प्लान दैट यू हैव टू फॉलो। यू हैव टू कोल्ड मेल, दैट इज नाउ। अब मैं तुमको बताता हूँ कि व्हाट बोरिंग एजुकेशन इज एक्चुअली बिल्डिंग in couple of months for you, okay. So the first thing that Boring Education is building is a platform called roadmap, okay. So this platform is actually, let me just show it to you. How does it look like right now? If you come here, and it's open source, so I don't have a problem showing you that also. You can create your own personalized roadmap into this. Right now it is not in development. It will be in development soon, but right now it is not, okay. You can choose your path here. You can choose your, अभी तो 3 ही है majorly, right? If we integrate AI into this, there will be more, I'm sure, okay. But we don't want to integrate AI much, क्योंकि अभी हम चाहते हैं कि कुछ चीज़ें मैनुअल हो, ताकि हैंड पिक्ड चीज़ें इज़ बेटर देन AI। तो फुल स्टैक का तो आई विल बी हैंड पिकिंग, रिमेनिंग थिंग्स विल नॉट बी डूइंग हैंड पिकिंग एंड ऑल, विल बी फॉलोइंग द रोड मैप एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस, ठीक है। सो यू पुट योर थिंग्स हियर एंड योर रोड मैप इज क्रिएटेड. हाउ मच यू आर लर्निंग एवरी डे, दिस इज लाइक complete roadmap and everything. Currently I'm thinking like it will be free, ठीक है, most of the time. अगर इसमें कुछ ऐसी रिक्वायरमेंट हुई कि आई माइट नीड टू पे फॉर सम लाइक समथिंग, देन इट विल बी पेड, बट नॉट मोर देन लाइक हाउ मच, 49 रुपीज़ अ मंथ, ठीक है. तो दिस इज एक्सपेक्टेड, क्योंकि आई डोंट वॉन्ट यू टू जस्ट टेक इट वेरी लाइटली, बिकॉज when you don't pay, you just take it very lightly, like you just come and go and something like that, right? So which something like I don't want. Anyways, you will be having all the community things and everything into this. That is one product that we are building, okay. Now learn and practice के लिए you have all the places, you have all the content about Shiksha and everything that you can do. You can check it out, the Boring Education. Build projects के लिए we have the projects, you know that, right? Resume I can review, but like you have to DM me manually. It's not like कि Topmate पे भी कोई sessions available है, ठीक है. Job portal I told you, these are the 3 job portals. We are thinking to build our own job portal where all of these places, Unstop, Internshala, Wellfound, ये वो सबका मिला के all of these jobs you will be getting at one place. So you don't have to go to all 4 websites to apply for a job. Obviously अगर उनका कोई मैसेज आएगा तो तुमको उसी पोर्टल पे जाके देखना पड़ेगा. We don't have that option, but we want कि all of the content you see at one place, all of the jobs, all of the internship you see at one place. That is one deal. Second deal that we are trying to build is कि cold mailing के लिए we will be giving you a mails, like lot of mails also, because we are getting all of the data, right? Job ka details and all, तो company का detail, company के mails and everything will be getting. So through that we'll be getting you this cold mails and all. Emails will be getting you, and we might not exactly we are planning, but yeah, we can help you how to create, and you can actually create your own cold mail. It's not a big deal. It's pretty simple. You create your own cold mail. That's totally fine. Okay. So for learn and practice, you go to Shiksha. It's free. It's totally free platform. You can do front end, you can do back end, everything. For projects, we have the Boring Projects platform. Inside that is again free. But the problem is there is only one project available right now. Resume review is possible on Topmate. ठीक है. So that is I'm telling you, after like 3-4 months के बाद अगर तुम्हें कुछ जरूरत पड़ती है तो. Job portal wise, we are planning to build our job portal, ठीक है. The Boring Job Hunt. We are actually now calling, I don't know, ठीक है. We have to see that. Code mails and all के लिए देखना पड़ेगा. And one more thing that we are building right now is कि just one thing did you realize here? And before we come to that, just tell me this part, that यहाँ तक तुम लोग ये वाला पार्ट तुम लोगों को समझ में आया जो हमने अभी तक डिस्कस किया? Is it clear till this point? cool. Okay, now tell me this thing. Just let me put this other way. How many of you want this, that if I tell you exactly how many jobs are opening in which field? Which field means all of these field. Every day, every month, every week. Would you not be interested to know about that? How many of you would be interested to know that? How many jobs opened into AI? How many jobs opened into ML? Tomorrow, last week, 3 weeks back, 4 weeks back. इससे क्या पता चल रहा है तुम्हें? कि तुम्हें ये पता चल रहा है कि तुम्हें ये सब ये करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. ठीक है, तुम्हें क्लियरली पता लग जाएगी कि भाई मुझे ये करना है. दैट्स इट, राइट. और एक चीज़ यहाँ पे जो हमने डिस्कस किया, इसमें कोई डेटा तुमको नहीं दे रहा है. वो ये नहीं बोल रहा है कि डेटा साइंस की 5000 जॉब्स निकल रही हैं, बहुत ट्रेंडिंग है. इट विल नॉट गिव यू दैट. क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग है, इट विल नॉट गिव यू दैट. इट हैज़ नो डेटा. सो here is a hack. We are building a product that allows you to do that. Okay, let me just walk you through this. And the product is called Unskilled, and it is a really amazing product. It's close to my heart. I'll show you how does it look like, but there is a problem. If I open it here, it will override my current design. So let me open it in incognito. Okay, it did not. Yeah, the product is pretty simple. It will tell you कि बॉस तुम्हें क्या क्या स्किल सीखने चाहिए, कौन से स्किल तुम्हें जानने चाहिए, तुम्हें कौन से रोल में जाना चाहिए, फ्रंट एंड की बैक एंड, क्योंकि इसमें जॉब ज़्यादा है. इट विल सिंपली शो यू बाय बार ग्राफ्स कि फ्रंट एंड इज इंक्रीजिंग और बैक एंड इज इंक्रीजिंग. हाउ मेनी रिमोट जॉब्स आर अवेलेबल, हाउ मेनी जॉब्स इन यूरोप आर अवेलेबल, हाउ मेनी जॉब्स इन इंडिया आर अवेलेबल, हाउ मच एक्सपीरियंस डू दे वांट, do they want 2 to 4, 4 to 6, this to that, all of this. And yes, okay, so this is exactly what we are doing now. यहाँ तक क्लियर हुआ? ये प्रोडक्ट समझ में आया तुम लोगों को? अनस्किल्ड जो हम बना रहे हैं क्या है? आई जस्ट वांटेड टू सी कि हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू रिएक्ट, बिकॉज आई यूजली डोंट डू लॉट ऑफ मार्केट रिसर्च ऑन दैट. आई जस्ट बिल्ड द प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम ग्राउंड अप. Okay, anybody having any question about Unskilled, you can put it here. Okay, right now it is not built, it is in brainstorming stage. We are thinking over it how to do that. Okay, cool. So now if I tell you, would you, okay, so basically there are multiple things actually. So first thing it will solve is job portal ka problem. You will be getting all the jobs at one place. It will be giving you mails and everything, so that problem is also solved, right? There is one problem, that which thing to learn, what skill to learn, that problem is that problem is also solved, which means that if you don't know which thing to learn, all you have to do is you have to go to that platform, it will tell you this. But currently when we are testing for like 1-2 months or something, we will not be giving you all the skills. Basically we will not be giving you all the skills. We will be giving you only full stack. That is means like front end, back end, full stack, front end, back end, full stack. That's it. Because it is not something that we can do right now with and if we feel like okay, it is working well for us, right? It is going fine for us. Then if it is not charging us a lot of money, if it is not charging us a lot of resources, then it will be free product. Otherwise it will be subscription. I don't want to have a multiple subscription model on every product of Boring Education. So there can be a universal subscription, but that thing is for later. I have not decided to make money through Boring Education at the moment, and it should not be like how conventionally people do that by selling you courses. That is second. Third thing is you will know ki what skills to learn. Fourth thing, just tell me, all of you, if you give me a resume, right, and I tell you what are the gaps in your resume, what are the skills that you don't know, would you not be interested to know that? How many of you would be interested to know that what I am lacking right now, what is missing in my resume, right? Like, and that is why this product is called Unskilled. Tanmay will come to you. Yeah, that is why product is called Unskilled. Because you may lack some skill. That is that is why you are unskilled. Okay. So the thing is, all of these things will be solved with one product. So job thing, code mailing thing, what is trending, put your resume, we'll tell you what is missing. And we won't just tell you what is missing, we will tell you how to learn it, where to learn it. If we have a course that you can do, we'll suggest that. If we have a course on internet that you can do, we will suggest that. Simple. Okay? So that is going to be the very fantastic product I'm thinking as of now, and it will be launched, so all of these issues won't come to you. Okay? So that is why I wanted to discuss. Acha. So when you go to jobs and when you go to job portal, you start applying, you keep looking for a job, and simple process you have to follow. There is no magic, there is no logic into this. Practice, revise, go for interview, practice, revise, go for interview every day, right? It usually happens. So it goes through the same way. Like for example, right now I'm having one interview scheduled tomorrow, but if I get rejected into this, I exactly know why it happened. It happened because I am somebody who did not prepare for interview. So you know that ki, you should prepare for it. Like it's not like ki project bana liya, practice kar li, but prepare hi nahi kiya. So interview preparation is also important. I forgot to tell you that interview preparation is also there on Boring Education. So when you go to boringeducation.com, you'll find this everything, all of these things here. Cool. We'll come to that. Anyways, let's talk about your questions. Sagar is asking, is this workshop especially designed for tech savvy or suitable for management? See, Sagar, okay. See, the point is, if you are actually going to talk about the skills and everything, probably roadmap तो यार मार्केटिंग का भी बन सकता है ना. अगर तुम्हें डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सीखना है तो उसका भी रोड मैप होगा. प्रोजेक्ट्स नहीं होगा उसमें तुम्हें एक्सपेरिमेंट करना होगा, चीज़ें करनी होंगी, वो होगा. रिज्यूमे उसमें भी होगा, जॉब पोर्टल्स में भी होगा. तो फंडामेंटली पॉसिबली यस, बट ये चीज़ें हमने बहुत बाद में करी हैं. हमने उसके पहले बहुत कुछ कर लिया है यहाँ पे. ठीक है. आई डोंट नो इफ सागर इज़ हियर और नॉट ऑन दिस. ठीक है. तो ये सब चीज़ें हमने डिस्कस कर ली. तो इट वॉज सपोज टू बी अ टेक वर्कशॉप, otherwise it is fine. It's not a big problem. You can follow the same thing. Viraj is asking that sir, in college skill did you choose and did you learn to okay, it's a long story. So long story short is I wanted to build my startup, and that is why I get to learn. I had to build a web app, like a mobile app, website actually. And for the website I need to learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript and everything. So like coincidentally I was learning full stack, but I had no idea about that. Okay. So that is what happened. Then I continued there and I kept learning things, and that is how I got my first internship. But my first internship was not into web development, it was into app development, because I was doing two things at the same time. I don't recommend it if until or unless you are very motivated towards building things or all of this. Go for one thing at a time. I was learning React and I was learning Flutter at the same time in December, I think in November, December 2019. Anyways, without any guidance, okay, I understand. I thought best would be we can even join internship without any need of advanced DSA. With only DSA, landing internship is not possible to get. With only DSA landing, yes, true actually. So landing a internship with just this is only possible if you are going via college placement, and most of the time college placement do not give you an internship. It's very cutthroat competition into this, so don't worry about that. Okay. What else? Yeah, so you said advanced DSA. I'm not recommending anybody to do advanced DSA, but basic DSA is important. So when I say this, it is a basic DSA, it is not an advanced DSA. Cool. Okay. Kunal is asking that I am the one who joined and stuck in data science. Oh, you wasted your time into this data science का course. 2 lakh rupees दो, डेटा साइंस पढ़ो, फिर वो तुमको जॉब दिलाएंगे, जॉब गारंटी. ऑल ऑफ यू आर हियर. आई थिंक देयर आर 29 पीपल. आई एम हाईली रिक्वेस्टिंग यू, हाथ जोड़ के प्लीज़ दिस नौटंकी से बचो. ठीक है. एंड जो ये फ्रंट एंड बैक एंड, जो भी तुमको कोर्स जो तुमको ये बोले कि एक जॉब गारंटी प्रोग्राम है, उधर से कट लो। तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी की कोई गारंटी नहीं है। लोग किसी की शादी में नाच रहे होते हैं और हार्ट अटैक आ जाता है। तुम अब इससे मतलब मैं क्या ही बोलूँ उसके आगे तुमको, लेकिन इससे बच जाओ, ठीक है, कि तुम्हें कोई जॉब गारंटी प्लेसमेंट ऐसे नहीं होता है। तुम 20 लाख रुपए दे के कॉलेज तुम्हारा प्लेसमेंट नहीं करा पा रहा है, तुमको लगता है 2 लाख रुपए ले, बेसिक चीज़ है भाई, ठीक है, वो मत करो। आई फील बैड फॉर यू कुनाल ऑन दिस, बट नथिंग आई कैन डू। Okay. I want to have an internship with non-technical technical background. BBA is non-technical. Yes. Okay. If I'm supposed to learn, wouldn't be replaced by AI? And yes, possible. It could be possible that you might be replaced in future. बट पॉइंट ये है बॉस कि जब तुम कोडिंग करना जान जाओगे तो तुम AI भी तो सीख सकते हो ना। जैसे मुझे भी फुल स्टैक आता है, अगर मेरी जॉब चली जाए मान लो, तो क्या मैं बैठ के ऐसे रोता रहूँगा कि यार मुझे दूसरी फुल स्टैक की जॉब कैसे मिलेगी? मेरी जॉब किसकी वजह से गई है? AI की वजह से। तो मैं AI सीख लूँगा ना। हिट ऑन द टारगेट। AI कोई ऐसा थोड़ी कि पॉलिटिक्स थोड़ी है AI कि तुम करने जाओगे तो तुम्हें पूरा रोड मैप जर्नी करना पड़ेगा, 70 साल बाद तुम प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनोगे, ऐसा थोड़ी है। AI तो तुम अभी से सीख सकते हो ना। तो अगर तुमको कोई स्किल सीखना है, तुम्हें कोई चीज़ सीखनी है, तो उसके लिए तुम्हें एक लैंग्वेज चाहिए होगा। तुमने जावास्क्रिप्ट पढ़ के वेब डेवलपमेंट किया, तुम्हें लगा जॉब नहीं लग रही, AI पढ़ के पाइथन पढ़ के तुम AI कर सकते हो। बट ये चीज़ पहले सोच लो, ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम्हें एकदम से AI बीट कर देगा। तुम्हें AI अभी नहीं बीट करेगा, 4-5 साल तुमको AI नहीं बीट करेगा। तुमको 4-5 साल तुम्हारे पड़ोस वाले जो तुम्हारे जो साथ में जो लोग ऑल ओवर इंडिया में जो प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं फुल स्टैक फ्रंट एंड बैक एंड जो भी चीज़ें, वो करेंगे तुमको, ठीक है। AI नहीं करेगा। तुम अगर हैकाथॉन्स में नहीं जाओगे, लर्न इन पब्लिक नहीं करोगे, सारी चीज़ें नहीं करोगे, यू आर डन, यू आर आउट। नोबडी इज़ गोइंग टू गिव यू अ जॉब, क्योंकि वहाँ पे कंपटीशन बहुत अच्छा है ना। कंपटीशन ज़्यादा है तो फिर वहाँ पे जॉब इंटर्नशिप लगना मुश्किल है। ये गेम है। LinkedIn I don't understand. LinkedIn is a skill, I don't know. Acha, okay, not a skill, I get it. Job portal, LinkedIn is a good job portal, yes, possible, but give me a second. LinkedIn is good, but not every time, I would say. It's like you can't say yes or no to it. It's a yes also, it's a no also. Both. Cool. Okay. What is the next question? What is the best platform to show your skill, LinkedIn or Twitter? Twitter. No doubt. I am not doing on Twitter for sure, but Twitter is the best on this. Twitter will get you a lot of jobs, lot of opportunities that LinkedIn will never. And I have seen this myself. I have got multiple interview offers from not job offers, from Twitter. From LinkedIn I got like how many? 3-4. From Twitter I got. LinkedIn इतने दिन से चला रहे हैं तब भी इतना नहीं है। ट्विटर में तो भाई आराम से हो जाता है। Simply like I reached out to co-founder, she scheduled a interview. Simple. Okay. Yes, it will help. It will help a lot of students. Where to see how many jobs are available and new job openings. Unskilled. That is why we are building unskilled. How many jobs are available? देखो हम ये चाहते हैं कि हम तुमको सिर्फ नंबर बताएं. So this whole product will be, इसका एक कोड बेस होगा बट इसके 4 अलग अलग यूज़ केसेस होंगे. पहला यूज़ केस होगा जो तुमको बताएगा कि सारी जॉब्स तुमको यहाँ पे एक जगह पे कैसे मिलेंगी. दूसरा होगा कि तुम्हें ये पता लगे कि कौन सी चीज़ ट्रेंडिंग में है, कौन सी चीज़ की ज़्यादा डिमांड है. हम देखो अगर तुम मुझसे पूछो कि क्या करोगे तो मैं बोलूँगा वेब डेवलपमेंट. कोई इंसान जिसने जावा किया वो क्या बोलेगा जावा. तो जो जिसने किया है वो अपना ही बता सकता है, राइट. तो मैं ये नहीं चाहता हूँ कि ऐसा हो. मैं चाहता हूँ कि डेटा बैड चीज़ हो, कि मैं तुमको बोलूँ कि भाई मैं अभी तुमको बोल रहा हूँ DSA मत करो. ऐसा हो सकता है कि हर कंपनी DSA मांग रही हो, तो मैं गलत हो गया ना. तो आई विल अपोलोजाइज फॉर दैट ऑल्सो. लेकिन अगर तुमको DSA का ग्राफ इतना दिख रहा है कि 500 जॉब निकली DSA वाली और 15,000
disconnected.
Okay, one second. Did I lose anything? I guess so. My God, I lost it. Okay, let me just do one thing. Let me just open my mic. Open your mic, and you can speak your questions right away. But uh, but before that, there is one more thing I want to say. Um, Go to this website called theboringeducation.com. It should open, right? It should not. Can you hear me? I mean, am I audible? Okay, cool, cool. Yeah, come to. Okay, I will be sharing a link with you all. Give me a second. Let me just update it. It's having one issue right now, and that is why it will not allow you to generate any certificate. Okay, hey Pooja. Yeah, you're doing web dev and um, DSA. That's fine. That's actually fine. That's not a big deal, actually. Don't worry about all of this. Okay? Yes, you can generate your certificate from this page. That is possible. What what can I do right now? Okay. What can you do? I don't know, boss. It's hard. I don't know what you can do about that, because it was supposed to be this way. It is your responsibility to do that, कि तुम्हें ऐसी जगहों पे नहीं जाना है जहाँ पे इतना ज़्यादा पैसे कॉस्ट करे जाएं और तुमको बोला जाए ना, तो it is pointless. Yes, maybe like you are giving the wrong email to, you are joining Unstop with the wrong email and joining Boring Education with the wrong email. So my recommendation to all of you would be, uh, use a single email. Okay, don't have multiple emails for everything. If you have 2 or more skills, can we go to any field or we face difficulty? You're not from that field. Okay. See, it does not matter. You can go into multiple fields, but better would be, it will not be a problem for you. Don't worry. It will not be a problem. You can have multiple resumes also. Acha, I just want to know ki how to search jobs like web dev, weekly hiring. Is there any website? I'm not sure. We're building it, and yes, for sure. Otherwise, देखना पड़ेगा तुमको. Like you'll have to go through it. I usually मैं इसमें यकीन ही नहीं रखता हूँ कि इतने सारे अलग अलग पोर्टल याद हो जाए मुझे, जो है ना कि उन पे ढूंढा जाए. ऐसा नहीं होता. अप्लाई तुम्हारे स्किल होंगे तो तुम कहीं भी अप्लाई करोगे, बात बन सकती है. और कहीं भी, आई एम नॉट सेइंग लाइक एग्जैक्टली कहीं भी, बट थोड़ा मतलब आ जाएगा, तुम्हें क्लैरिटी आ जाएगी. ठीक है. कैसे करना है वो चीज़. ठीक है. एनीवेज, सो what topics come under basic DSA according to you? String array objects, these are basic topics that are coming under. Mid level में आएगा तुम्हारा linked list, stack queue and these things will come. Okay. Also, let me just do one thing. Let me stop recording this.